I am a rich man's daughter, living a country with dozens of helpers. He occupied the highest position in the government. People say I am very lucky, but they were mistaken. They don't know I lacked before. I remember one time, the sister Dora and I'm playing pickle in the garden. Perla, Papa is here. I went to my Papa. Here a box of chocolates. A box of chocolates, darling, from Manila. Happy? I'll never be happy every time I see your face. I hate you. I'm bent. I hit in the wall. Happy? I'll never be happy every time I see your face. I hate you. When the hospital. Another song. A box of chocolates.
Balik man, say.
And more a box.
Katong hirap na yun.
Father, he pushed me away. That's Papa learned happy. I'll never be happy every time I see your face. I hate mother. This that. I hate Father, yes, Father, oh dear love.
Hindi mo kayo sa memorize, oy.